Dave. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to compliment someone's appearance, someone's look. If the person is well dressed, the person looks so fine, so sweet, so lovely, so hot. And you want to compliment, you want to admire the person's appearance. I have 10 good ways to compliment the person's appearance in Igbo language, okay? Ready? Let's begin. So you can tell the person, Idi okay. Idi okay. Idi okay. Idi okay simply means you are sharp. You are okay. Or you can say Idi sharp. Idi sharp. Idi okay. Idi okay. Mwani idi okay. Baby, you are sharp. Do you understand? So Idi okay is number 1. Idi sharp. Idi okay. The next one is imakazi. Hey, imakazi. Imakazi means you look so fine. Hey, you look so fine. Na imakazi. Daddy, you look so fine. So na means daddy, right? So when you say na, of course we all know that na is father, ne is mother. But when you say na, you're actually saying daddy. When you say nne or nnem, you're saying mommy, like my mommy, like mommy. Do you understand? You should understand what I'm talking about now. So na, na imakazi. Imakazi is number 2. The next one is ikwu n'ọkụ. Ikwu n'ọkụ. Ikwu n'ọkụ. So ikwu n'ọkụ means you do on fire, like you are hot. Man on fire. You are hot. Ikwu n'ọkụ. Nwani ikwu n'ọkụ. Baby, you do on fire. Baby, you are hot. I don't know if you've heard the song Man on Fire. Oh, man on fire. So man on fire, you dey on fire. Woman on fire, not the only man they dey on fire. Both women. So ikwu n'ọkụ, you dey hot. The first one, remember I said, is idi okay. That is, you are sharp. Second one, imakazi. Imakazi, you look so fine. Third one, ikwu n'ọkụ. Hey, ikwu n'ọkụ, you dey hot. You look so hot. Do you understand? You dey on fire. That is ikwu n'ọkụ. The next one is ibu mmanụ. Ibu mmanụ. You know, mmanụ is oil, right? So when you tell someone that ibu mmanụ, you're actually saying that the person is, is shining. Yes, the person is shining. Ibu mmanụ. You are shining like the oil. Like you are shining. You look so nice. You look so smart. So beautiful. So you are shining. Ibu mmanụ. Nwane ibu mmanụ. Baby, ibu mmanụ. The next one is ị na-emuke ka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Ị na-emuke ka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Of course, everybody, we are all aware that ụtụtụ is morning, right? Ụtụtụ. So anyanwụ is sun, S-U-N. So ị na-emuke ka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. You are shining or you are radiating like the morning sun. Yes, ị na-emuke ka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. You are radiating like the morning sun. Ị na-emuke ka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Nna or nne, how ị na-emuke ka anyanwụ ụtụtụ? Hey, so that is it, guys. The next one is ịdị ụtọ n'anya. Ịdị ụtọ n'anya. Ịdị ụtọ n'anya. You look so sweet. Ịdị ụtọ. You look so sweet. You can just say ịdị ụtọ. Bebe, ịdị ụtọ. Ịdịgodo ụtọ n'anya. You understand? So when you tell someone ịdị ụtọ, you are saying you are sweet. Ịdị ụtọ n'anya. You look so sweet. Right? So the next is ị na-ebecha ebecha. Hi! Nwa godi 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 godi. Ị na-ebecha godi. Ị na-ebecha ebecha. Chai! Mwade! Ine imakazi. You understand? So in a becha. So it means that the person looks so hot. The person looks so beautiful. Extraordinary. Do you understand? So as in the person is so fine. Okay, so that's when you tell someone in a becha. In a becha goodie. Baby, in a becha goodie. In a becha. So the next one is mbi inweya. That mba is no, right? So you can say, no, you have it. Mbi inweya. You have it. Or you can just say inweya. No. Mba inweya. So inwe what? What are you referring to? What does he or she have? Mbi inweya. Are you referring to the shape, or the dimple, or the pointed nose, or the basically you should know what you are admiring before you now say mbe. No, you have it. So it depends on the particular thing you are admiring, you are referring to. Do you understand? So that's when you now say mbe, or you can just say inweya. The next is omalecha. This one is quite simple, right? So omalecha means the most beautiful. Hi, omalecha, the most beautiful. It's quite simple. Omalecha. Omalecha. Omalecha nwa. Do you understand? So that's the meaning of omalecha. Now on the last but not the least, this one is quite long but funny at the same time. Funny and sweet. So you can tell someone, Obuni bani igano na site. Obuni bani igano na site. This means that if you were to be a land, you would be at the site. Like you would be at the site. If you were to be land, you would be at the site. So ane means land. Na obuni bani igana na site. Hey, in a better goodie. In a better. Mwani the hot. Mwani kunoko. Omalecha imakaze. So these are 10 simple ways, beautiful ways to compliment someone's look in Igbo language. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to join the community. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. Okay, share this video as well. Remember, my name is Onyi Kemesia. Bye.